Did you know that many people in Germany get hundreds or even thousands of euros back every year through their tax return? But the surprising part is this. Many people are actually overpaying taxes without even realizing it. In this video, we'll look at the biggest tax refund opportunities in Germany, especially for employees, students, remote workers, newcomers, and expats. We'll cover commuting costs, home office deductions, work expenses, education costs, family support payments, and the best apps to make the process easier. And don't worry, you do not need to be a tax expert to understand this. Let's start with the biggest areas where people usually get money back. There are several major categories that can reduce your taxes in Germany. Some of the most important ones are commuting costs, home office deductions, work-related expenses, education costs, moving expenses, and even supporting family members abroad. Many people only claim one or two deductions and completely forget the others. That means they often leave a lot of money on the table. The good news is, small deductions can quickly add up to a surprisingly large refund. Now let's go step by step through the most important categories. Commuting costs. If you travel to work regularly, this can become one of your biggest deductions. Germany uses something called Pendlerpauschale, the commuting allowance. You can deduct a fixed amount for every kilometer between your home and workplace. And this applies whether you use a car, train, S-Bahn, U-Bahn, bus, tram, or a combination of transportation methods. For example, if your one-way commute is 30 kilometers and you work around 200 days per year, your deduction can become very significant. Many people underestimate this category because they think short distances don't matter. But even smaller daily commutes can add up over an entire year. The important thing is to keep track of your workdays and commuting distance. Home office deduction. Remote work and hybrid work have made the home office deduction extremely important. If you regularly work from home, you may qualify for the home office flat rate deduction. In many cases, you can claim several euros per home office day, up to the yearly limit. And one of the best parts is this. You often do not need complicated calculations or a separate office room. Your home office setup can also include expenses related to internet, electricity, workspace costs, and work equipment. Even working from home only a few days per week can make a noticeable difference on your tax return. That's why many remote workers receive much larger refunds than they expect. Many everyday work-related expenses can reduce your taxable income. And the interesting part is, a lot of people don't even realize these things are deductible. For example, laptops, monitors, keyboards, office chairs, printers, work phones, and internet costs may qualify. Certain work clothing can also count, especially professional or protective clothing. Even small office supplies, subscriptions, books, and bank account fees related to work may help reduce your taxes. Individually, these expenses may seem small, but together they can create a much larger refund. That's why keeping invoices and payment confirmations throughout the year is so important. Germany also offers several automatic tax allowances called Pauschalen. These are extremely useful because in many situations you do not need exact receipts for every single expense. One important example is Werbungskostenpauschale, which is automatically considered for employees. Then there is Homeoffice-Pauschale for remote work. And of course, Pendlerpauschale for commuting costs. These flat-rate deductions are designed to simplify the system and help taxpayers reduce their taxable income more easily. A lot of newcomers assume they need perfect documentation for everything. But in reality, Germany already provides several built-in allowances that can work in your favor. Supporting family abroad. This is one of the least known but potentially very valuable deductions. If you financially support parents or certain family members living abroad, some of those payments may be tax-deductible in Germany. This can include regular support payments sent to parents, grandparents, children, or dependent relatives. However, documentation is very important here. You usually need proof of the money transfer, proof of the relationship, and evidence that the person depends on your support financially. For people who regularly send money to family members abroad, this category can become surprisingly important. Many expats simply never realize this deduction exists. Education expenses can also reduce your taxes in Germany. And this includes much more than university tuition. German language courses, Weiterbildung programs, certifications, seminars, workshops, and professional training may all qualify. For expats and newcomers, this is especially relevant because language learning is often connected to career development. Even exam fees, study materials, books, and online learning platforms may count in certain situations. The key point is this: if the education improves your professional skills or career opportunities, it often has tax advantages. So investing in yourself can also reduce your taxes at the same time. Moving for work reasons can also create major deductions. For example, if you move because of a new job, a shorter commute, or your first workplace in Germany, many moving-related costs may become deductible. This can include moving companies, transportation costs, fuel, train tickets, temporary accommodation, and even double rent in some situations. Many people spend large amounts of money during relocation and forget to include those expenses in their tax return later. That's why keeping all receipts during a move is extremely important. Especially for newcomers moving to Germany, this category can make a real financial difference. Insurance costs are another important category in Germany. Health insurance contributions are especially significant because health insurance is mandatory. Depending on your situation, additional insurance types may also help reduce your taxes. Examples include liability insurance, legal protection insurance, and certain pension contributions. Many people already pay these costs every month anyway. So it makes sense to check whether they can also lower your taxable income. And over an entire year, these contributions can add up to thousands of euros. Now let's look at some common mistakes that reduce tax refunds. One of the biggest mistakes is simply forgetting deductions. People often remember the large expenses but completely ignore smaller categories. Another major problem is missing receipts or poor organization. Late filing can also create problems and delays. And many people misunderstand their tax class and assume they cannot benefit from filing a tax return. The reality is, even one small mistake can reduce your refund significantly. That's why staying organized throughout the year makes the entire process much easier. Best tax apps in Germany. Fortunately, you don't need to do everything manually. Germany has several excellent tax apps that simplify the process. Wieso Steuer is very popular for detailed and comprehensive tax returns. TaxFix is especially beginner-friendly and easy to use. Elster is the official German tax platform and completely free.
Steuerbot.
offers a more modern and simplified mobile-friendly experience. Each app has different strengths depending on your situation. But overall, these tools can save time, reduce stress, and help you discover deductions you might otherwise miss. Now let's look at some realistic examples. A working student with commuting costs and study expenses may receive a refund of over €1,000. A full-time employee with commuting costs and work equipment can often receive several €1,000 back. Remote workers may benefit from home office deductions, internet costs, and office equipment expenses. And married couples with children often have even larger refund opportunities because of childcare costs and joint tax situations. Of course, every situation is different, but these examples show something important. Filing a tax return in Germany is often financially worth it. Let's summarize the most important points. First, many people in Germany overpay taxes without realizing it. Second, deductions matter much more than most people think. Third, small expenses add up surprisingly fast over an entire year. And finally, filing a tax return is often easier and more beneficial than people expect. The more you understand the system, the more opportunities you have to reduce your taxes legally and keep more of your money. I hope this video helped you better understand how tax refunds work in Germany and showed you some deductions you may not have known before. Remember, you worked hard for your money, so don't leave it behind unnecessarily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone living in Germany who could also benefit from this information. And if you have questions or want more Germany guides about taxes, salaries, health insurance, or everyday life in Germany, write them in the comments. See you in the next video.